Hey there guys, in this video I'm going to talk about the best construction software right now on the market that you can check out for yourself. I just want to make this video quick and effective for you. So first thing first, Bluebeam. This is the first one that you can actually check out. It's a construction focused PDF editor. It's used for the markups, design reviews and documents annotations, and it's one of the most frequently mentioned tools for the construction management. Now when you're gonna look here for the pricing, you can actually see here that yes, it's a little bit expensive, but this is kind of like the most used ones, and you can have plenty of solutions that it's more kind of like the professional tool. So this is kind of like the first one, the Bluebeam. Now the next one is Procore. So Procore, it's all-in-one management platform, RFIs, submissions, documents, cost management, covers pre-construction, construction and post-construction, free certification training available at procore.com, and better suited for larger companies and can be expensive for smaller companies, and that's something that you need to also be aware of. So the next one is Primavera P6. This is another one that you can actually check out for yourself. So it's an enterprise level scheduling software by Oracle used on large complex projects for CPM scheduling and often requires for government and infrastructure work. So this is something that you can also check out for yourself. Then you're gonna have also the Autodesk Construction Cloud. Now with the Autodesk Construction Cloud, it's a document protocol, design reviews, quality, safety inspections, cost management. It got model pricing, pick only what you need, like when you're going to click here by the pricing. And you can have construction operations, so you can request the quote here. And it's best for large projects and teams, and it starts $495 per user per year, but it really depends if there is some kind of off price or something like that. So then you can have AutoCAD or even Revit. So with the AutoCAD, what you can actually expect is that you're gonna have the for 2D drafting and design review, Revit for BIM 3D modeling. So that's something that you can actually check out. Contractor Foreman, this is another one. So Contractor Foreman is affordable all-in-one tool. You can have scheduling, job costing, bids, daily logs, time tracking. So all those things you can actually have covered, and you can have geofencing for time cards, and you can have unlimited projects. So that's something that you can actually also check out for yourself, and you as you can see there are plenty of features with also the pricing here. So with the pricing, you can see it starts at $49 a month, where everywhere you got the free trial here, so you can actually check it out, and maybe it's going to be good. Now the next one also is Projule. So Projule is interesting too, only because it's kind of like the CRM, project management, estimating, invoicing in one platform. It's designed for small to medium contractors, and you can have drag and drop scheduling, e-signatures and QuickBooks integration, and it starts at $4,700 a year. So Projule is also interesting, but it's the pricing is kind of expensive, so that's something to be aware of. Then the demo needs to be really worth it for you to use it. Connect Team, that's another one. So with the Connect Team, you have mobile first workforce management. You can have the scheduling, time tracking, forms training, and it's great for the desktop and field teams, and it's free for under 10 users and $29 a month for up to 30. So this is something that you can also check out. Also Service Titan. So the Service Titan right here, it's built for service, especially contractors, scheduling, dispatching, estimating, invoicing, process billing. So all these you can have plenty of features that you can get a demo for yourself and see how you like it. So this is kind of the tool that you can actually use. Buildertrend, that's another one. So with the Buildertrend, you have it popular for residential construction, and here you can have project management, also scheduling here, communication management, sales management, finances, and for the pricing right here, you just have to fill it out, and you would get a quote. And that's for the Buildertrend, and you can have also the demo here that you can actually check out for yourself. So Fieldwire, that's another one, a very popular one. It's task management and plan viewing for field teams, good for punch lists and on-site coordination, and it was kind of acquired by Hilti. And then you're gonna have also like inflow. So inflow is inventory management for construction, plumbing, HVAC, and that's something that you can also check out for yourself. And you're gonna have real-time mobile tracking for services bands and job sites, and then also Knack. So it's a no-code build platform construction management tools, and good for small companies wanting tailored workflows without paying for unused features. And that's how you can like literally just like set it up for yourself, where you're gonna have like the custom CRM, custom portal. And that's another thing that you can actually check out. And for the pricing here, you can see they get like monthly here or like the pro, and that's pretty much it. So I just wanted to make this like very quick and effective video for you, what kind of thing you can actually like expect. And that's pretty much it. So hey guys, thank you very much. Hope this video helped you, straight to the point, and have a great day and goodbye.